Hey Barbara, it's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow to start beating West Side Roofing. If you type in Cleveland Roofing Company, these guys show up right at the top here. I'm going to show you, oh, here we go. I'm going to show you exactly what they're doing so you can easily beat them, and they fluctuate in these top 3 spots. Now, Barbara, I know you're probably asking why I would even make this video for you. I just found out a little while ago there's lots of roofers out there that are so busy running their business, they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. And most people just take this information and do it themselves, which is awesome. Some people say, Devin, I like you. I don't have the time to do this. Can you do this for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off though, whoever designed your website did a fantastic job. I love that purple to orange gradient color you've got going on throughout it. It's just a really nice modern looking look, and those images or those colors complement each other super nice with the purple and orange. But the whole website throughout keeps that theme, and it's just done really, really nicely. Awesome animations the whole way through. Like, whoever designed this website did an awesome job. So congrats and good job on this. Now, what Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking is content, all the stuff that you can read, all the stuff that you can highlight. The average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words of content, so it's kind of where you want to sit. And you're currently at 731, so great job. You're about half of the way there. I would definitely recommend getting yourself to that 1,500 word mark, because not only are you going to blow these guys out of the water, they only have like 600 words themselves, but also it's going to give you more room to fit in what's called buyer intent keywords. A buyer intent keyword is just a phrase somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So I pulled up a list up here for you. Typically you have to pay for this, but don't worry about it. Just skip paying for it and pause this video and take all these and put them in your content yourself. This is what your clients are currently typing into Google to find you. So for example, roofing companies Cleveland, 250 people search that every month. Or for this video, I'm using Cleveland Roofing Company, 200 people search that every month. And then, Cleveland, Ohio roofers, it's another 150. So if you were number 1 in front of those 3 keywords, that means you'd be number 1 every single month in front of 600 new people who wanted to purchase roofing in Cleveland. Imagine how big of a change that would make in your business. So you want to make sure that you have keywords like Cleveland Roofing Company inside of your content. You can see you don't have it anywhere in here. So just make sure you fit keywords like that in your content. You can put them in your headings. You can put them in the title up here. You can put them inside the body. And then another thing that most people miss is you can actually put them in your images too. So instead of Roofers 1, you could put Cleveland Roofing Company, and that'll help you rank for that keyword. And you can do that for all these different keywords, all these different images, you can put different keywords. All right, so that is my first tip for you, Barbara. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Like I said, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites, which means you're going to get a lot more power if you have other roofing and exterior remodelers linking back to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't need to pay for this. Just Google Backlink Checker. You can see all the same data for free. It says you have 3 websites linking to you, which is a great job, great start. Westside Roofing has 136 linking to them. They've done all the hard work for you. If I were in your shoes, I would just copy them, because if these 136 websites are trustworthy and relevant enough to rank them, then they're going to rank you too. So I would just go one by one to each of these websites and put a link on each site back to my own the same way they did. A lot of times it's easy. Like, for example, Expertise, Yellow Pages, Super Pages. You hit get listed or sign up or join, create a free profile, put a link in your profile back to your website, and boom, that simply you've got a backlink. So it's pretty easy. It just takes some time. But if you beat your competitors with content and you beat them with backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically up in this top section. The last tip for you is how to show up in the map section here. If you want to be number 1 organically or in the map section, you got to have more citations than your competitors. And citations when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory. A directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, kind of like Angie, BBB, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. So if I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories First Choice Roofing was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch. If First Choice was in 150 directories, I'd put myself in at least 300. But that's all I've got for you, Barbara. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this as short and to the point as possible for you. As a quick recap, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words of content on this homepage with keywords inside of that content, like Cleveland Roofing Company. Save your images as those keywords too. Then take the websites that are linking to Westside Roofing and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than First Choice Roofing. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become #1 across the entire front page of Google. Now, you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. A lot of your competitors are doing this already, and the less time you wait to get started, the less catching up you're going to have to do. If you have any questions or you want any help getting this done, give me a call at 972-736-8808. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. It was great speaking to you on the phone, Barbara. I hope this video was helpful for y'all, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. I'll see ya.